So we are going to do another vocabulary, excuse me. We are going to do another handwriting page. Thinking about vocabulary for government. Today we're on page 44, and we're going to do the X. And Magic Sea Bunny's here to say hi. And now for your X, I want you to think of a slide. So remember, a slide can't go straight up and down. That wouldn't work, right? Slides go sideways. They go diagonally, all right? So you're going to start by going to the right and then back to the top. Lift your pencil and go left. And that's the same for the capital X. So we're going to slide right, lift, slide left. Slide right, lift, slide left. Excuse me. Slide right, lift, slide left. Lowercase 1, same thing, just stay between those lines. So right, left, right, left. Good. And then practice some words, like the word 60. Take your time. 60. Extra. You'll write it 2 times, friends. Extra. And foxes. Notice the foxes, when you make it more than 1, you add an ES. That's plural. And write it another set over there.